AI. That's right, artificial intelligence. It seems that in 2024, you cannot turn on the news or get through a couple of scrolls of LinkedIn without a company telling you with a big flashy headline about the latest AI innovation that they're making in their product suite or operations. Well, today I'm one of those people, and I'm very excited to add one to the list. That is the game-changing generative AI solution that we have developed for you to fast-track your listings creation process on Amazon. Good afternoon, fellow Amazon sellers, new, existing, and aspiring. My name is Anthony Maroon, and I am a Senior Program Manager here at Amazon Australia. And today, I'm not here to talk to you about how there's going to be a robot that's going to be your cashier at your supermarket. I'm not here to tell you about an AI-powered petrol pump that fills up gas in your car on a cold winter's morning, as nice as that would be. But what I am here to tell you is how we are going to change the game for you when you create your listings on Amazon Australia. Now, if you already shop on Amazon, the structure of the product detail page may already be familiar to you. The people that you see up here in this infographic that are building the product detail page, that is each one of you in the room today. You all either have already contributed or will contribute to the millions of product detail pages that exist on Amazon around the world. So why don't we speed that process up? If we take a step back, let's take a look at what makes a great listing in the first place. And I'm going to share with you my top 4 tips. Now, you may hear different messages around long titles versus short titles. My recommendation and best practice at Amazon is for you to ensure that your title is succinct, to the point, and accurately just representative of your product. That it is not adding in any filler or descriptive words, and that it really captures your customer's attention. We also recommend that you include 5 or more high-quality, zoomable images and videos where eligible. Something that really also grabs your customer's attention and makes them want to click on that product detail page. Third, we recommend that you have a detailed product description, 1 or 2 paragraphs which allows you to showcase your brand's voice in your own unique way. And then number 4 is having 5 or more bullet points, something that's engaging, snappy, and intrigues your customer to want to stay on your product detail page, scroll through, and learn more about your product. So these are the 4 tips. They make a great listing. But at Amazon, we also know that creating these bullet points, descriptions, and titles can traditionally be viewed as a challenging and time-consuming task for sellers. And that's where we've stepped in. It can require a lot of work and effort to have to be creative, to come up with something snappy, and just find the right words to showcase your products. Well, I am here to tell you it's time to close that book of synonyms, if people still use books of synonyms, and find 15 different ways to say the word scrumptious. We've taken care of that for you. Amazon has harnessed the power of generative AI to help kickstart this process and fast-track your listing creation. The tool utilizes large language models, or LLMs, and this helps generate comprehensive product descriptions, bullet points, and titles in an Amazon-ready format. And all it requires is a few inputs from you. Let's take a look at how this works. To get started, all you need to do is provide a brief description of your products in a few words or sentences. For example, I was stuck when trying to write my product description. In this case, I'm going to show you the image upload component. Without even having to write a product description, I click an image, I upload it, and it automatically recommends a product title that's suitable for my product. Now here, I'll get rid of the word vintage because in this case, my dining chair isn't vintage, and it will automatically recommend the product type. I click confirm. And for the purposes of this exercise, we're going to assume that my product is unbranded and it doesn't have a barcode. So we'll tick this product does not have a brand name, and we'll tick that there is no product ID. We click next, and here we watch the power of generative AI. Now they do say a picture paints 1,000 words, Maybe in this case, I'll be a little bit more accurate, and I'll say it's going to be a couple of hundred. But what you've just seen on the screen is the one image that I uploaded turned into a detailed product description and bullet points that are ready for you to list on Amazon. Now, because the inputs that I provided were not super descriptive, it was just an uploaded image, what it's done is it's taken some creative liberty and it's assumed things like the size of my chair and the material that I've used. Now, in this case, we recommend that you go in and edit the content and not just rely on the AI tool itself. You want to make sure that this accurately depicts your product because you own the product listing page that you list on. Now, the same thing can be done with this tool by just typing in the sentence of your product without uploading an image. I showed you the video up there of me doing it with the image. I could arrive at this same scenario by providing a short string of text, such as peanut butter and jelly spread, 500-gram jar, next, and then it'll give you a product description that is descriptive, detailed, and then the bullet points, which are going to engage your customers. So what's the benefit for you as a seller? Well, through the generative AI tool, this can help you save time and effort that you would normally spend writing your product descriptions. We saw this here for one product, but imagine you had dozens or hundreds of products that you had to do this for. This tool is really going to save you time and give you that time back to put into other areas of your business that may be more valuable to you. It's going to help streamline your workflow and let you focus on those other critical aspects, but ultimately what it's doing is it's helping you create high-quality listings, which, as we mentioned at the start of this presentation, is key. Now, as for your customers, this will unlock complete and consistent product information, maybe some fields that you would not have had the time to spend filling in all your product listings. It's going to help them make more informed purchasing decisions because the tool is helping get your creative juices flowing, and it's really going to give you more tips and tricks on what you should include in your product listing. And ultimately, it's going to give them an enhanced shopping experience on Amazon. Now, if we talk about what's next, we're constantly learning and evolving, and we're taking on your feedback to ensure the tool improves. Within the tool, there's a thumbs up and thumbs down button also, which allows you to give feedback, and that'll help the tool learn and evolve so that it's constantly improving the recommendations that it provides. Well, I'm pleased to announce that just this month, we've launched the ability for you to bring over your own content from your own website and kickstart that listings process. So if you tell me, I don't want to have to write a few words and give you that. I don't even want to have to provide an image to upload. I've got all my stuff on my own brand website, and I just want to bring that over to Amazon. What you do is you copy and paste that link here. Under that List Your Products workflow, you click Web URL at the top of the screen, and you paste your link in. With one click of a button, the generative AI tool will work its magic, and it'll bring over all the content from your own brand store and make it into an Amazon-ready format as best as it can with the information that you've provided. Again, fast-tracking your listing creation experience and helping you have Amazon-ready listings in a quicker way than you normally would have been able to. We're also looking at expanding the capability so that it covers attributes beyond just bullet points, product titles, and product descriptions. So stay tuned on that. I trust that you're all as excited as I am about the future of selling on Amazon Australia, and I hope you're all as excited as I am to get out there, jump on your laptop, and play around with this tool, which is available for all of you today. Embrace this transformative technology and see for yourself how generative AI can help kickstart your ability to create high-quality listings on Amazon Australia. Thank you.